And it started raining, and there was one big umbrella, but it couldn't reach properly, so half of our table got wet. Hello friends, family, loved ones, everybody who's watching. Today we had one market, but it was raining in the morning, and we were not sure if we should go or should not go, and then kind of my curiosity what will happen there was much bigger than the sense of just staying at home and maybe just leave it for today. So we went there, we built up our stall. It was a much smaller space than we went to so far. It was in one beer garden, and when we came there it was like kind of drizzling, but then it started raining, and there was one big umbrella, but it couldn't reach properly, so half of our table got wet. And yeah, it was really cold and freezing today, and little bit disappointing, but it's fine. I mean, we didn't have too many expectations. Sometimes you shouldn't have so many expectations so that you don't get disappointed. Karan didn't like it there from the beginning. I don't know why. Maybe he didn't get the feel why he didn't like it there.
I didn't get the feel. It was smaller than this table we have.
Yeah, and he
and
felt
then
too
Saskia
cold.
was telling, put everything. I got panic. I was like, no space, people are pushing and somebody is bending down, hitting my table, and wow!
Yeah, we could not even sit, so it was super cold. But the fee for today was €5 only, and we got that.
And we got that.
We got more than that, little bit more than that, so we got our fee. We could buy from the money we earned, we could buy a new raincoat from the flea market, and because it was raining so much and she was running through the whole space, and yeah, so we left earlier today, and then we came home and felt super hungry and just wanted to sit down, so we created this full picnic on our table for like 10 people. Like, I started cooking and I didn't stop, and suddenly it was so much of food which we cannot even finish. So we'll eat the rest later, and Kalam will eat the rest tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, that was for today. So it's fine. there will be another market, another day. In future, we will look out for more handmade markets, for more creative markets, and for more which is for our kind of thing. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you everybody who's watching this. We really appreciate everybody who's there all the time, who keeps on commenting. We really love all your support and love reading the comments. And much love to all family and friends and India and in Germany and wherever you are. Thank you for being there for us all the time. And see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.